Hi, my name is Natasha and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Neuro Calm before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Neuro Calm is: be careful with the website you're going to buy Neuro Calm from, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Neuro Calm, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Neuro Calm works, is the only hearing health protocol in the world which combines the healing powers of the plants with the science of sound soothing therapies. And after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that combined with a special set of sound therapy techniques could effectively help anyone support their healthy hearing. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Neuro Calm, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Neuro Calm for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Neuro Calm to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Neuro Calm has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Neuro Calm from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Neuro Calm actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.